What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join that frequent flyers club. We on the road to 1,000. We like 30 away, bro. Y'all tap in, help me get there. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's get right into it with this one, man. This shoe, I've been excited about for a long time. We know they've been doing them early leaks. Man, we've been seeing this joint since last year. And this is one of my favorite shoes, one of my favorite models, and definitely one of my favorite colorways from this model, man. You see that box, see that aged box. Y'all know what it is, man. Tag on this joint reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Summit White, Fire Red, and Black. Shout out to the better generation on these, man. They held me down on a personal. Well, they didn't hold me down. You have to go there and win a pair. I was able to get my size 12, man. This joint is staying in the collection. This is my second shoe of the year that will be staying in the collection, that will be getting a spot in these containers, man. The first one being the black and white Jordan 1 High. Second one being this Air Jordan 3 Reimagined, man. See the box, man. Has the black aged box with the red Jumpman on top. Aged all the way around, man. Nike Air on the side. Nike Air on this side as well. Let's get into the shoe, man. I know y'all might have seen a couple of videos on these, man. You've been seeing early pairs for a while now, but it's my turn. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. And these joints, man, these joints are clean, bro. I don't care what nobody say about this shoe. It's staying in the collection for me. It's a heavy hitter in my book. Here we have the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined, man. This is the Reimagined pair. Now, recently they released pairs like in 2018, they did the free throw line, they did the Justin Timberlake edition. 2013, they did the 88s, which was like closer to the original pair, they say, but this pair is even closer to original form than the 88 pair. So let's get into these joints, man. Let's get into it. Now, getting into the left shoe, man, as you can see, it has that white tumble leather all the way around here, man, all across the upper, white tumble leather. It went with the thinner markings on the elephant print this time, as well as on the back part as well. Definitely a lot thinner, and I'll show you a comparison of the JTHs and the 88s and the free throw lines as well, man. The main change of this shoe, man, they yellowed that heel tab with the Nike Air on the back. Has that white and black midsole as always, man. Staying true to the white cement colorway. It's a little thinner on the elephant print right here on the front, man. A lot of people have been complaining that they've been getting different cuts and different thicknesses of lines in their elephant print, man. But all of the pairs that I've had, they've been solid, man. Definitely a lot thinner than we've seen before, but that's the look that they was going for with these. And I believe that they executed, man. They executed. As far as accessories, man, no extra tags or anything, but it did come with the Nike Air hang tag. And this is the thin joint, like they went back to the retro joint, not like the thick hang tag that we've been getting in all the recent years. Just a thin joint. No metal chain for the hang tag as well, man. It went with the clear plastic like they do on the extra laces, like on Jordan 1s and things like that. Now, that midsole is not a true white like we usually see on the White Cement 3. They went ahead and aged that midsole as a part of the Reimagined series, and it matches the aged back tab that's on the back of the shoe. But these joints are still clean, man. I've been seeing a lot of people put cream laces in there to match that aged look, but factory installed, we got pure white laces, man, just to go with that pure white leather across the top. White tongue with the red Jumpman stitched in, man. Been seeing a lot of pairs with a lot of flaws and a lot of people complaining online, bro. I feel like that's kind of the cool thing to do now, man. Everybody wants to bash Nike about their QC. I know it's not the best, man. I'm not defending Nike by any means, but people try to find ways to complain about anything, bro. So all of the pairs that I've seen, I've had like 10 to 12, maybe 15 pairs, and every single one has been good. I didn't have any grade school. I just went for men's sizes, and all of my men's sizes have been good, man. Now, on that insole, man, they do have a red insole with the black Nike Air pressed on, man. These joints are clean, man. If you like white cement 3s, I don't see why you wouldn't have this shoe, why you wouldn't keep this shoe. I understand people aren't a huge fan of the yellowing, but it's something different, man. I'm not the biggest fan of it myself, but that's not gonna deter me from grabbing this shoe and keeping it in the collection. I may be doubling up soon, but as of now, I'm good with one, man. I got a couple other white cement 3s right here in the back. So I'm not in a huge rush to double up on these, but it's a must-have in the collection, bro. These joints will be added right to these cases, right by these other white cement 3s, for sure. Now, getting into that right shoe, man, just the same as the left, man. White tumble leather all the way across that upper. Smooth leather right here across this mud guard. Got the thin print on the elephant print on the toe, thin elephant print on the back, yellowed heel tab, yellow midsole with the black hit across the back of the midsole. Now getting into the outsole, man, they have the regular Jordan 3 outsole, man, gray and red hits, got that red Nike hit as well. And they went with the cream or aged coloring on that white part as well, man. Didn't go with the true white on the outsole. Everything on the bottom and on the back is that aged off-white looking color. And I think they did a really good job with these, man. Maybe I'm being selfish because I have regular white cement 3s. So I didn't mind adding something slightly different to the collection, bro. But these are nice, bro. These are nice. Now, as far as pricing on these joints, they were $210 plus tax in Texas. They're around $228, $227 and change. Resale, they're going for around $280 to $290 in the bigger sizes, and they're coming down to around $260 in that size 8 to 9 range, man. So they're still pretty affordable with them being like $230 out the door or $210 if you're in a no tax location. But resale isn't really crazy on these, but I definitely would grab them now. They released like 2-ish weeks ago, and the price has been holding steady to where they are. So I don't think they'll drop too much more in price. I say go ahead and grab them now before they shoot up. This is a classic shoe. One of the most sought after releases of the year for sure. A lot of people are gonna be wearing these. So prices are gonna shoot up in the next 2 or 3 months. I say grab them now, pay your $280, maybe $300 on your local groups and in-person meetups. As far as resale shops, you may pay $350 to $400 on these joints, just depending on where you go. So I just say check with your local face-to-face people, try to get a better price, try to pay right around market. I say add these to the collection if you're asking me, man. The white cement 3 is one of my favorite shoes, black cement 3 as well, but with the classics and the OG colorways, man, you can't really go wrong with this joint. Super happy to have these joints, man. I can't say that enough, bro. This white cement 3 Reimagined, already in my top 10 shoes of the year, hands down. I don't even have to see the rest of the calendar. I know this one will be in my top 10 for sure. Let me know how you feeling about that. Now, another word of advice, man, I would say continue to check your local stores and local malls. These have been popping up like sparingly, but they have been popping up in late shipments. So you may be able to grab one for retail still. You're not too far removed from the release to catch a late pair, but I say do your homework, bro. You'll definitely be able to grab these joints. There are plenty of pairs available. A lot of people have them, bro. So if you're looking for them, just do your footwork, do your homework. You'll definitely be able to grab a pair, 100%. Now, as far as size on these joints, they do run like slightly bigger, I would say, than a regular Jordan 3. It's like less padding on the tongue and less padding here around the ankle. But you still be good with your true size. If you really must, you can go half a size down, but I want my true size 11 and a half, 12 in these joints, bro, and they fit really well. So as far as me, I'm going true to size. If I was you, I would try to go to maybe a resale shop and try to try one on, or something like that, bro, just to make sure you get the right size if you're ordering online. But still true fit, good shoe, man, nice quality, good leather, classic colorway, bro. You can't go wrong with these joints. Now, real quick, man, I just want to get into a quick comparison of the previous Jordan 3s from 2013 and 2018. Here I have 88 Jordan 3 from 2013. Some of the major differences that you can see off the rip is the elephant print. You can see how this one is a lot thicker and a higher cut on the elephant print. You can see it as well on the sides of the shoe, the side elephant print. See, this one is really thick. This one is thin writing on the elephant print. Getting into those back tabs, of course, like I said earlier, the Reimagined here is yellow. This one is a pure white. And as far as the Reimagined, they have it all black on the Nike Air. As of right here, you can see it's black, but it's white underneath as if they just painted it black. And this one is like they added full black pieces onto the yellow tab. And another major difference I would say is the tongue. You can see how thick the tongue is here on the 88 pair. Real thick tongue with cushion. That's what I was saying. This one fits kind of a little bit bigger, thicker tongue, and this one has like a thin tongue if you can really get a good look at it right there. Those are the main differences as far as the 88 pair. Also, you can see the 88 pair has tumble leather on the tongue, really soft tumble leather. This one has like smooth leather on the tongue, bro. It's just some of the main key differences that I can point out for sure as far as the 88 pair. Now, getting into the free throw line pair, this one is very similar as far as like tumble leather, smooth leather. This one has the smooth leather on the tongue just as the Reimagined does. And this one has the thicker elephant print as well. Same thing with the higher cut on the elephant print a lot more defined, a lot thicker on the elephant print. And of course, this one has the clear outsole. The other shoe has the red free throw line on it. Other than that, pretty much the same shoe. This one has similar heel tabs. As you can see with the Nike on this one, is no white underneath. And just like this one, is all black Nike. The Nike is a little bit bigger on the 88 pair, I guess. The heel tabs had bigger text back then, so they went with a bigger print on the heel tab, bigger Nike swoosh on the Reimagined pair. And last but not least, man, the Super Bowl JTH, man. This one has the same heel tab, Nike Air. It has the black, no white underneath. And this one has a 3M swoosh on it. It's not really picking up as 3M right now, but it does have a swoosh. And on the inside, it has the Nike written in. On here, you know they went with the Tinker series. The JTH and the Tinker series kind of went hand in hand. Those are the main differences between the threes. All of them have really nice quality, soft leather. This JTH has smooth leather on the tongue, matching the Reimagined as well, man. But other than that, man, it's pretty much the same, other than the swoosh and the Nike on the inside. Same outsole and everything like that, bro. Everything else is pretty much the same. This one does have great insoles, but like I said, this is kind of a different series. This is not a true white cement 3. But I just want to give you guys a quick comparison, man. Nothing too in-depth, man. You can see they have the thicker elephant print as compared to the elephant print here on the Reimagined pair. But all in all, man, I love it. This one gives an old school feel to it, so I'm happy to have this one. It's a lot different than the other 3 Jordan 3s that I just showed you. Maybe not to the naked eye, but when you look at them hand in hand, you look at the details, man. Happy to have something slightly different with these. The 88s and the free throw lines and JTHs all being really similar. This one will be the most different out the pack outside of this swoosh that comes on the JTH pair. But overall, man, that just about wraps it up for this video, man. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of the White Cement 3 Reimagined, man. You probably already seen multiple reviews, bro, but I just want to get mine out there. If you want to get them, hopefully this review swayed you into getting them. If you don't like them, hopefully this review clarified that and you don't want to get them at all, man. I just want to provide a review, man, just for something for you guys to look at and enjoy. And I hope this helped you make your decision, man. But like I said, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the White Cement 3 Reimagined. Peace.